Well, hi, hello, and a really warm welcome to today's short tea time video. And today I've remembered to have my cup of tea ready in preparation. So this is video 5 of my 30-day challenge. And I'm super excited to be here with a topic that's really close to my heart. Now, if any of you know me really well, you know that I absolutely love the P word for plan. And we've talked about in previous videos 3 essential Ps. Now this is a different P that we're talking about today. So today, day 5 of 30, today's title is How to Plan for Total Success in Your Art Business. And for me, there's only one way to plan for success, and that is to create your own bespoke artist business plan. So that's exactly what today's short video is all about. Today, I'm going to walk you through, let's see if I can get the right number of fingers, in just sort of 5 to 7 minutes. I'm going to walk you through that 9 steps to a fantastic artist business plan. So here we go. Now remember, if you are watching live, and I know it takes a few minutes for people to come on live, so apologies, we definitely got a bit of a slow internet today. Definitely there's a bit of a lag, so hopefully those of you watching later don't even notice it. And for those of you that are watching the replay, don't forget to hashtag replay and let me know what you think about the comment of today's video, the content of today's video, if you've loved it. And don't forget also that there are 4 previous videos back on my Facebook page under the video tab, and you go there and I've made a little playlist where you can watch all of these. So back to today's content. As I said, I'm going to share with you the 9 steps to the perfect artist business plan so that you can plan yourself to total success in your art business. So my guess is you're going to need props, you're going to need a pen, and you're going to need a notebook. See, this is good. This one says, see the good. I like these notebooks with nice quotes on the front of them. Hello, we've got people coming on live now. Hello, warm welcome to Erica. Thank you for sending me the love, sweetheart. It's very, very warm and muggy here today, isn't it? Goodness me. Okay, so I'm hoping that you have got your pen and your notebook ready. And as I said already, your cup of tea, because this is a tea break video. All right, let's start off with step number 1 for the perfect artist business plan. And this is all about getting your future vision. So this is about putting in place your vision, mission, and purpose, what you see for the future of your art business. And as well, your values as well. Erica says she's exhausted. It's pretty draining, the mugginess. I know those of you watching from elsewhere have no sympathy for us whatsoever. So step 1, vision, mission, purpose, and values. So it's the kind of the big picture through which I always think we're actually filtering the rest of our art business. So once you've got that locked in, step 2 is about a goal, of course, because you need some direction to head in. You need somewhere to head, because if you don't have somewhere to head, you're just going to drift off over here, over there, over wherever. So we're going to set one ginormous turnover goal. And I always advocate one goal, not multiple goals, because as far as I'm concerned, you can just focus on the one thing. So that's what we like to do, one goal. So that's step 2. So step 1, you're going to sort out and write down your vision, mission, and purpose and your values. Step 2, you're going to set a really big goal. Step 3, you're going to do that all-important research. That's the bit that most people skip. So that's where you're going to look at your competitors. You're going to look at a SWOT analysis. What is that? You're going to define your USP, and you're going to look at kind of what demand there is for your art product or service. And when you've done that, you're going to move to step 4. And step 4 is all about the money and the numbers. So it's all things finances. And finances can include knowing what your expenses are, knowing if you're a startup, or maybe you're looking at expansion. It's also things like profit and loss and cash flow, all of those things that may require a spreadsheet. Although the way I teach it, I don't use spreadsheets at all, so hang in there. Step 5 then of your perfect artist business plan is about defining what it is you're selling, actually. It's your products and your services. So being able to write down exactly what it is that you do, and preferably not too many of them. I've seen so many people with a list like this, and it's like, okay, probably less is more. So defining what you do, perhaps putting it into categories if you do an awful lot of things. So we're going to write down products and services. Then step 6 is about who is going to buy that, of course, and that's about defining your audience. And you're going to start that by looking at your market, what market you're in, what niche you're in, and then ultimately, have you done a profile of that perfect person? You know, that person that you light up when they sort of come towards you and want to buy something from you. That is your perfect ideal customer. So we need to define those things as well. Then when we've done that, we go to step 7, and step 7 is all about choosing your business model. How are you going to operate as a business? Are you going to be online, offline? Are you going to be part-time, full-time? Are you going to be somebody who does all the face to customer? So you're going to be that person at the art fair doing your open studio, or are you somebody that prefers somebody else to do that? So you have a gallery representing you because you don't like to do all of that. Maybe you run workshops, or maybe you're an illustrator and you work as a self-employed. You work somebody who what's the word I'm looking for? Freelancer. That's the word I'm looking for. So there's lots of different ways that you can operate an art business. Way too many to go into in this little tiny video. And then step 8 is sales and marketing. That's a topic that we are definitely going into for the rest of this month, and all of next month we're going to be talking about sales and marketing. It's without a doubt the most important area of your art business. It's the bit that people don't seem to allocate any time for, I've discovered. I've just recently sent out a survey and was a little bit shocked at the results. It's like, we're not getting the results, but we're not allocating any time to do it either. So that's really quite exciting for me, because it makes me realize there's an awful lot I need to be sharing with you and teaching you and inspiring you to do. So sales and marketing, step 8 of your perfect bespoke artist business plan. And the final step, folks, of course, is to get into action. And it's step 9 that people have so much trouble over, isn't it? It's lovely to create the plan, but it's a whole other ball game to actually take it out there. I should have my props. Oh, I do. Look, I'm good. I do have my props. Wait a minute. Let's take it out of the blue cover. So if you have created your own bespoke, I'm trying to hold it so it can be seen, your own artist business plan, it's ready, of course, for you to go out and take action on. But if you haven't done it yet, then I suggest that it's something you put at the top of your list. Now, the good news for you is, I teach an awful lot of this stuff on this page, on my YouTube channel, or if you get on my email list, you're going to learn an awful lot via emails. And coming up really soon, we have another free training. And the free training is the 5 simple steps to the perfect artist business plan. So that will be coming up shortly as well. But for now, we have reached that moment where it's like, thank you so much for watching. This is the time when everyone comes on, because they're like, oh yeah, it's roughly 4 o'clock. I need to let you know, guys, thank you for coming on. It's bang on 4 o'clock, and my aim is to be done and out of here by 10 past. I've got tea to drink. I've got work to do. I've got water to consume. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that's given you, yes, and I'm waiting for Erica to say she's got scotch to drink, or wine, or some sort of lovely alcoholic beverage. I hope that's given you a little bit of food for thought. 9 steps to the perfect artist business plan. If you haven't got one, it's time to take action. Tomorrow, now, goodness me, tomorrow I'm going to give you 3 tips as to how you can get your business plan done really fast. What is she's cake? Erica's got cake today. You're outrageous, lady. Where do you live? I'm coming round. So yeah, tomorrow, and we're keeping through. This is 30 days. I'm not taking a break for the weekend. So tomorrow I'm giving you 3 simple tips to how to help you get your artist business plan done. So that's same time, same place, this time tomorrow, Saturday afternoon at 4 p.m. Long enough to have your cup of tea? Join me with whatever drink you feel like, and I will see you same time, same place tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.